Guys, so today I am at Westmore Farm in West Hartford, Connecticut. I'm so excited to come here, so let's go check it out. This place is pretty cool. Hi. Come here. Hello. Well guys, it is just now after 11. I'm gonna put you guys down. The sun's kind of making it a bit hot. I was gonna go into Marshall's, but then I thought no. So I picked up this catalog here for this town. And cool thing is that when I got my town's like summer fall schedule, I found that they do bus trips for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, which I'm so excited. I always want to go to New York City. and I always want to see the parade, but it was like, I don't know, I forget, I think it was like $99 or something. I just found it in here for only $59 plus a $6 registration fee. So I think, guys, we might be going to the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. That is so cool. If I can get the money, we'll see how it goes. I am about to go into my doctor and turn in all my my vitamin list things and see if I can get cheaper vitamins. If that's the case, then that would really help to be able to go to the parade. Otherwise, I don't know if we can go. So let's go on and head in. I'm gonna put you guys in here because you're really, really hot. Hey guys, so it is just now 1 o'clock. Thankfully, I got into my appointment like 20 or 30 minutes early. So that was really cool. I'm starving. It's now 1 o'clock and I haven't had anything to eat today. I've just been sipping on this lemonade. So I found this hibachi grill and supreme buffet. So let's go check this out. Look how cool these door handles are.
Are you okay? You didn't think about it. Hi.
Look at the blue door on that house. That is so cute. Peace out.
And I'm crazy, but you make it.